Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's been buzzing everywhere: AI and your job. Now I know the idea of AI taking over can sound scary, but what if I told you these tools aren't here to replace you? They're here to supercharge your skills. Let's dive into 5 AI tools that will replace your job in a good way. Tool 1. Jasper AI. This tool is a game changer for content creators, marketers, or anyone drowning in deadlines. What it does: Jasper generates blog drafts, social posts, and even video scripts in seconds. How it helps: it crushes writer's block and handles repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on strategy. Why you're still needed. Ever read an AI-generated love poem? Jasper's drafts need your flair and nuance. You're the editor, the brand voice, the human touch. Tool 2. Canva Magic Design. It is perfect for non-designers or teams needing quick visuals. What it does: turn a phrase like eco-friendly yoga ad into polished designs instantly. How it helps: no more starting from scratch. Iterate ideas in minutes. Why you're still needed. AI can't decode your brand's soul. You choose the colors, tweak layouts, and make it uniquely yours. Tool 3. Zendesk Answer Body Customer Service Heroes. This one's for you. What it does: automatically resolves common tickets like password resets 24/7. How it helps: reduces ticket volume so your team tackles complex issues. Why you're still needed. Empathy isn't AI's strong suit. You handle the angry customers, the nuanced problems, the human moments. Tool 4. Tableau GPT. It is the data whisperer. What it does: analyzes datasets, spots trends, and even suggests visualizations. How it helps: no more endless Excel formulas, get insights faster. Why you're still needed. Data tells a story and you're the storyteller. AI can't pitch to stakeholders or ask why behind the numbers. Tool 5. GitHub Copilot. Last up, GitHub Copilot. Developers, rejoice. What it does: suggests code snippets and functions as you type. How it helps: speed up coding and reduce tedious boilerplate work. Why you're still needed. Copilot doesn't understand project goals or user experience. You're the architect, debugging guru, and innovator. Conclusion. So, will AI replace you? Only if you let it. These tools? They're your new teammates. They handle the grunt work so you can shine in what makes you human: creativity, empathy, and big picture thinking. Drop a comment. Which tool are you excited to try? Smash that like button if you're ready to embrace AI, and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay awesome and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.